Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download folders from Google Drive to a Mac computer. If you're new to organizing your household's digital documents on Google Drive, learning how to download entire folders from Google Drive will help you get your documents from Google Drive much faster. First, navigate to drive.google.com in a web browser, such as Safari. Alternatively, if you're already logged into another Google service like Gmail, click the App Selection button in the top right corner and select Drive. Once you're on Google Drive, you might first see a summary of your folders and files. Before selecting folders to download, it's a good idea to go to the My Drive section so all the files and folders you have are shown. Google Drive organizes files like a file manager on a computer. Folders group and organize files. Here you can see the folders that categorize the household documents I'm storing in Google Drive. For this demonstration, I'm going to download a folder from the Utilities folder, which I'll navigate into by double-clicking. Here is the folder I plan to download. I'll quickly navigate into it to check its contents. Here's a quick tip. You can select multiple folders for download, which can save a lot of time if you have multiple folders you want to download to your Mac. When a folder is selected for download, it's not just the folder itself that will be included in the download. It's the folder, plus all the files and subfolders it contains. Anytime one or more files and folders are selected in Google Drive, a download button will appear near the top of the page. After pressing the button, Google Drive will compress the selected items into a zip file so they download faster. Then, a selection box opens so a file name and storage destination can be chosen for the download. It's important to know that when you download from Google Drive to your Mac, the original files and folders on Google Drive remain unchanged. Even if the new copies downloaded to your Mac are lost or deleted, the originals on Google Drive will remain intact. This is one reason that cloud storage or any additional storage location can be so useful when planning storage for household documents. If files are stored in two storage locations, the files and their contents will continue to be available even if one storage location is lost or becomes inoperable. If you're interested in improving the storage and organization of the documents and files in your household, see the description for a link to some detailed course material on how to do that. Now, continuing with the demonstration, the next step is to choose the location the zip file will be downloaded to, and to set the file name. Clearly naming files is a key part of keeping the files on a Mac well organized. Including relevant information about a file's contents in the file name makes it much easier to find individual files later on. Google Drive provides a preset file name for the zip file that may not include the details you'd like to include. To demonstrate, I'll adjust the file name to reflect the contents of the file, being careful to leave the .zip file type in place. Clicking Save then starts the download. Once the download is complete, open the Finder application and navigate to the location the zip file was downloaded to. Double-clicking on the zip file will extract its contents. Note that the folder and file names as they were on Google Drive have been retained. And that's it. Once folders are downloaded and extracted, they're ready for use. I hope you found this quick overview of how to download folders from Google Drive helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, see the description below for more information on the topics covered. Thanks for watching.